In this video, we listed the 6 best action camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hour of research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. I have included option for every type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. AKASO V50 Elite 4K Wi-Fi Action Camera, 60 fps and 30 fps videos at 4K res, pictures at 15 fps, 20 MP, 170-degree wide-angle lens, Wi-Fi compatible for quick sharing, waterproof to 131 feet, comes with a wireless wrist remote, 2-inch LCD display, mounting kit and accessory bundle. Rugged construction with excellent quality. Number 2. GoPro Hero White, sturdy, white, rubberized casing, one-touch operation, LCD touchscreen, waterproof to 33 feet, 1080p and 1440p video recording, slow motion mode at 60 fps, can use voice command instead of buttons. Waterproof action camera with touchscreen, 1080p HD video, 10MP photos. It is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatible, and image, video edits are extremely easy on board. Number 3. ThiEye 4K Action Camera, 4K videos at 30 fps, extreme image stabilization, slow motion videos at 240 fps, 2.2 LCD touchscreen display, 2.19 Gorilla Glass cover, 12 MP raw images, Sony IMX377 sensor. ThiEye also gives action photographers complete manual control over the images, as it can churn out 12 MP raw images. Number 4. Sony AKASO 50. It's refreshing to see big brands compete with little-known ones for supremacy in what's becoming an extremely crowded market for action cams. Full HD video recording, 11.1 MP XMOR sensor, Zeiss lens, steady shot image and video stabilization, 6 video modes, stereo mic, 60mm water housing. Number 5. ThiEYE T5e. This one from ThiEYE is waterproof for up to 197 feet, making it one of the best choices for underwater use. It comes with a 170-degree wide-angle lens. It can shoot 4K videos at 30 fps and up to 240 fps for slow-motion videos. This also stabilizes the camera to a great extent. Waterproof to 197 feet. 4K video at 30 fps, Sony IMX117 sensor and an Imberla A12s processor, 170-degree wide-angle lens, 2x1100 mAh batteries, 360-degree rotating buckle. Number 6. Xiaomi Mijia Mi Sphere 360-degree camera, dual lens 360-degree camera, 3.5K videos at 30 fps, Full HD at 60 fps, 6-axis eyes, 23MP still photos at 7K resolution, multiple software upgrades, easy edit and sharing.